today's exciting match. Both teams. Now it's Vinicius. This is Haaland. Vinicius. Good save. It was heading goalwards. Good defending. A precise pass. Yamal shoots. Back off the post. That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. Headed on. Mo Salah. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. They're moving the ball about so well. He steps up to steal the ball. Long throw. He got that all wrong. Grimaldo. It's back with the goalkeeper. Now De Bruyne. That's a great ball in. Ronaldo. Oh, missed opportunity. A poor header. Striker's ball. He's broken through. He's in the clear. And my word, what a finish.
Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that will give them some momentum for another goal.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Now De Bruyne. Vinicius shoots.
Oh, and they've drawn level.
And they're back in the game thanks to his efforts. They'll push for the lead now.
Great understanding between this team.
The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. We're at the halfway. Hakimi. Passed into the box. At the striker's feet. Haaland shoots.
Now that really was some finish.
Well, that shot was perfectly placed. What a finish. And the manager's making a change here. Now De Bruyne.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, and dispossessed there.
They make this attack count. Need to get back into this game.
What a chance! Well, he's certainly made the goalkeeper work. He's unlucky not to score.
And now right back in this match. This one will be a joy to look back on. Smashed into the top corner. Let's take another look at that. It's time to replenish their energy levels, so some new players are coming on. And he's won it back for his team. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
That was a cynical foul. The crowd are jeering the player. Quality defending there.
Throw in here.
It's a tactical change here then.
Back to the keeper.
Not long left. Whoever scores next will surely win the game. Militao tackles. Here's Cherki with the ball. An expert tackle. A long distance pass. Will it go in? Martinez. A careless pass there. 90 minutes. The manager's changing his squad. He's trying a different tactical approach. Gyökeres with the ball. Ronaldo intercepts. Cherki, he's hit it too high. The keeper can give a sigh of relief. A misplaced pass. Martinez! Oh, look at their celebrations. What a goal. What a difference the sub has made. He's scored. That's a goal he'll want to see again and again, and a short strike from this great player. He's played it long. They're winning, and they need to defend well here. Rudiger. Lovely passing here. Oh, that pass could have been better. Injury time is over. The first half comes to a close. Mo Salah. He's darting forward. Is this the moment? It's there! The equaliser!
That's his second goal.
Well, let's have a look at that one again. This is crisp passing. What a chance! That strike was off target. Keeper sends it long. He misjudged the pass.
Oh, easy decision here. It's a goal kick.
Makes the pass. He's got the goal in his sights. And he shoots. It didn't trouble the keeper. Maybe this taker can do something different. No one's going to get on the end of that cross. The goalkeeper gets right, but the shot was just too good.
taken and made no mistake putting it away. Denied by the keeper. The keeper stopped it. Will the pressure get to him? A diving save. The keeper's guessed right. He's missed the penalty. He was indecisive and it showed. So much pressure riding on this penalty. The keeper made his choice but got it all wrong. The keeper was never going to get that. Neatly put away. Great composure. The keeper went the right way, but just couldn't keep it out. He left the goalkeeper with no chance. It's all down to this penalty. Chance. One kick away from victory, that's all. And he scored to win the shootout. A true captain's performance today, and he has stood out from the crowd. This Dream League live match is taking... And the away team have gone with this formation. There's Van Dijk. He's moving fast with the ball. Could pass the keeper. The fans have barely taken their seats and already a goal's been scored. What a start to the game. Bellingham with the ball. Now De Bruyne. Van Dijk with the tackle. This is Haaland. Careless pass there. Good defending. Really good possession here. He's got the ball and is in full sprint. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. An expert tackle. He misjudged the pass. Martinez pulls the trigger. Good goalkeeping. He needed to be alert. And he's won it back for his team. Fancies his chances from here. Haaland shoots. Hakimi. He got that all wrong. Aha, quality defending there. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Martinez. He's gone for it. They've levelled the match. And it's anyone's bet which way this one will go now. Let's see the build-up which led to the goal. That's lofted upfield. intercepted. What an opportunity! Oh, and it's in! And he's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further? And that's a midweek. Lamine Yamal. Tries the long pass. He's up to full speed now. An outstanding header. Great technique there. Kept his eye on the ball and placed his header well to put it past the goalkeeper. Bellingham with the ball. Well, to win the ball back. Saliba with a tackle. A misplaced pass. Oh, what a pass. Yamal looks comfortable on the ball. A careless pass there. Tactical change here then. It's level. They can still win this, but they need to be organised at the back. Surely now! It's a close game. Can he make the difference? Well cut out. He's racing ahead with the ball. This is Rodrigo. Lamine Yamal. They want to add to their lead here. Oh, it's a clear chance, and they've equalised. Let's take another look at that. So this player will come off, and a new one will take to the pitch. Strong tackle. They're just looking to keep the ball. That tackle was badly timed. What influence can he have on the pitch? The score's a level, but can one team seize the opportunity? He steps up to steal the ball. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. He's finding the player in the box. Are we going to see a training ground move from this corner? What a chance! He misjudged the pass. Oh, some last-ditch defending is needed now. Can they stop this team from winning it? He's shaping to shoot. But that cross missed its target. What a chance! No doubt there, that is a penalty. They've scored the winner in the last minute. Such an important goal here. It may well decide the match. And there's a foot. The two sets of fans are in voice for this dream league. And the away team have gone with this lineup. Strong tackle. Salah with the dribble. And he's clear with the defence, but can he finish it? Mbappe. Look at the confidence that's given him. And the team. Can they hold on to the lead?
Lamine Yamal. He's got control of the ball. Neymar. He got that all wrong. He dribbles the ball forward. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
Oh, De Bruyne! Oh, my word, what a finish. The manager will be pleased with getting back into this game. I hope they can grab another goal.
And here it is, the first booking of the game. They're moving the ball about so well. Good defending there. Won the ball. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Good interception. He's got the goal in his sights. Great understanding between this team. He's moving fast with the ball. Can he get in on target? He's taken it long. He steps up to steal the ball. Hakimi. He comes forward with the ball. He's in control. Mbappe. He misjudged the pass. Yamal shoots, and the shot has gone wide. We're at the halfway. Mo Salah. Oh, that's a poor pass. And he's won it back for his team. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Oh, this is crisp passing. What an opportunity! It's Messi! The board is up and new players coming on. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal is going to affect this game. Mo Salah. This team needs to find a way back into the match. Now it's Gyökeres. Ah, good passing on display. The tackles are flying in at the moment. Oh, De Bruyne! Poor effort goes wide. A long kick from the goalkeeper. Keeper rolls it out. They're controlling the play with ease. Passing the ball really well. Haaland drives forward. Good defending. A misplaced pass. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Well timed then. Great defending. Time for some fresh legs maybe. The players are warming up. Just can't seem to get into this game. They need to press higher upfield to start creating chances again.